Have you ever wondered how some affiliate marketing for beginners make thousands of dollars a month just by recommending products they love? What if I told you that in the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact blueprint that turned complete beginners into six-figure affiliate marketers? And the best part is you can start today with absolutely zero experience and practically no money up front. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm all about helping you build real income streams online. In this video, we're diving deep into affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'm going to walk you through every single step you need to take to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap that you can follow to launch your first affiliate marketing campaign this week. But before we jump in, let me share something that might shock you. According to recent industry reports, affiliate marketing is expected to reach over $8 billion in spending by 2025. That's a billion with a B, and here's the crazy part. You don't need a college degree or years of experience. Also, you don't need a massive social media following to grab your piece of this massive pie. Now, let's start with the fundamentals because I want to make sure everyone is on the same page. Affiliate marketing is essentially promoting other people's products and earning a commission every time someone buys through your unique referral link. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, except you don't have to handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. You simply connect buyers with sellers and get paid for making that connection happen. The beauty of this business model is that it creates a win-win-win situation. The company gets more sales, the customer discovers products they need, and you earn money for facilitating that connection. It's one of the few business models where everyone truly benefits. Here's what makes affiliate marketing so appealing for beginners. First, you can start with minimal upfront costs. While other businesses might require thousands in startup capital, you can begin affiliate marketing with just a domain name and hosting, which typically costs less than $100 for your first year. Second, you don't need to create your own products. Someone else has already done the hard work of product development, and you just focus on promotion. Third, it's scalable. Once you understand the fundamentals, you can expand into multiple niches and income streams. But let's address the elephant in the room. Many people fail at affiliate marketing because they approach it like a get-rich-quick scheme. They think they can throw up a website, slap some affiliate links everywhere, and watch money roll in. That's not how this works. Successful affiliate marketing requires strategy, consistency, and genuine value creation. Now let's get into the step-by-step process that will set you up for success. Step 1 is choosing your niche, and this is absolutely critical. Your niche is the specific topic or industry you'll focus on. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to appeal to everyone. Instead, you want to find that sweet spot where your interests, knowledge, and market demand intersect. Start by listing topics you're genuinely passionate about or knowledgeable in. This could be fitness, technology, cooking, personal finance, travel, or anything else that genuinely interests you. Why is passion important? Because affiliate marketing requires creating consistent content, and if you're not interested in your topic, you'll burn out quickly. Next, research the market demand for your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends to see if people are actively searching for information in your area. Look at Amazon's bestseller lists, browse popular YouTube channels in your niche, and check out thriving Facebook groups. You want to find a niche with active engagement and purchasing behavior. Consider the profit potential as well. Some niches, like luxury watches or business software, have higher commission rates than others, like books or low-cost gadgets. However, don't let commission rates be your only deciding factor. A smaller commission in a niche where you can drive more traffic might actually be more profitable than higher commissions in a niche where you struggle to get visitors. Step 2 is finding affiliate programs to join. There are several types of programs you can consider. First, there are affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. These platforms host multiple merchants, making it easy to find products in your niche. Amazon Associates is particularly beginner-friendly because almost everyone trusts Amazon, and they have products in virtually every category imaginable. You can also join individual company affiliate programs. Many brands run their own programs with potentially better commission rates and terms than what you'd find on networks. Look for companies in your niche and check their websites for affiliate program information, usually found in the footer under terms like partners or affiliates. When evaluating programs, pay attention to commission rates, cookie duration, payment terms, and program restrictions. Cookie duration refers to how long your referral link stays active after someone clicks it. A 30-day cookie means you'll earn commission if they purchase within 30 days of clicking your link. Step 3 is building your platform. You need a way to reach your audience and share your valuable content. The most common approaches are starting a blog, creating a YouTube channel, building social media presence, or developing email lists. If you choose blogging, you'll need to purchase a domain name and web hosting. WordPress is the most popular platform because it's user-friendly and search engine optimization-friendly. Your website should be professional-looking, mobile-responsive, and fast-loading. Focus on creating high-quality content that genuinely helps your audience solve problems or make decisions. YouTube is another excellent platform for affiliate marketing. You can create product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and educational content. The key is providing real value while naturally incorporating your affiliate recommendations. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest can also work. But make sure you understand each platform's rules regarding affiliate links. Some platforms restrict direct affiliate linking, so you might need to use link in bio tools or similar workarounds. Step 4 is creating valuable content. This is where many affiliates struggle because they focus too much on selling and not enough on helping. Your primary goal should be solving problems and providing value. Sales will naturally follow when you've built trust with your audience. Focus on different types of content that serve your audience. Product reviews should be honest and comprehensive, highlighting both pros and cons. Comparison posts help people choose between similar products. Tutorial content shows how to use products effectively. Educational posts establish you as an authority in your niche. Always disclose your affiliate relationships clearly and prominently. This isn't just an ethical requirement, it's legally required by the Federal Trade Commission. Use phrases like, "This post contains affiliate links," or "I earn a commission if you purchase through my links." Step 5 involves driving traffic to your content. The best content in the world won't make you money if nobody sees it. Search engine optimization is crucial for long-term success. Research keywords your audience is searching for and create content around those topics. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or free alternatives like Ubersuggest to find relevant keywords. Social media promotion can drive immediate traffic. Share your content across relevant platforms and engage with communities in your niche. Email marketing is incredibly powerful once you start building a subscriber list. Offer valuable lead magnets like guides or checklists in exchange for email addresses. Consider paid advertising once you're generating some income. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Pinterest Ads can scale your traffic quickly. But start small and test thoroughly before increasing your budget. Step 6 is optimizing for conversions. Getting traffic is only half the battle. You need to convert that traffic into sales. This involves strategic link placement, compelling calls to action, and building trust with your audience. Place affiliate links naturally within your content where they add value. Don't stuff links everywhere, as this appears spammy and can hurt your credibility. Use clear, action-oriented language for your calls to action. Instead of just saying, "Click here," try something like, "Check current price on Amazon," or "Get your discount here." Building trust is paramount. Be transparent about your experiences with products and admit when something isn't perfect. Always prioritize your audience's needs over quick commissions. This long-term approach builds a loyal following that trusts your recommendations. Finally, let's talk about tracking and scaling. Monitor your performance using analytics tools and affiliate program dashboards. Track which content performs best, which products generate the most commissions, and which traffic sources are most profitable. Use this data to double down on what's working and eliminate what isn't. As you start earning consistent income, reinvest profits into growing your business. This might mean creating more content, exploring new traffic sources, or expanding into related niches. Remember, affiliate marketing success doesn't happen overnight. Most successful affiliates report it takes 3 to 6 months to see meaningful results, and 12 to 18 months to build substantial income. Stay consistent, keep learning, and focus on providing genuine value to your audience. The opportunity in affiliate marketing has never been better, and with the steps I've outlined today, you have everything you need to get started. What niche are you considering for your affiliate marketing journey? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you understand affiliate marketing for beginners better, smash that like button and subscribe for more content. Share this video with anyone who may benefit from it. It helps us bring more content that helps you build real online income streams. Thank you for watching.